Hey everyone, in this video I will show you how to add a realistic shadow to an object in Evee mode. I demonstrate the easiest way to achieve this effect, so let's get started without wasting time. First, add an object or a model that you want. After that, add a plane, scale it according to your model. Then go to render preview. After that, add a light to our scene. Go to add, light, sun. Set the position of sun. Then go to light data properties. Increase the strength and change the angle to 5. If you wanna change the shadow angle direction, you can change. Now we have to transform this plane into shadow catcher. Go to material, add material, delete principal BSDF. Now our plane is totally black. In shadow editor, we have to add some nodes. Shift A, first add BSDF, diffuse BSDF. Shift A, now add shader to RGB. Shift A, now add color ramp. Connect the diffuse BSDF to shader to RGB and shader RGB to color ramp. Shift A, add a mix shader. Shift A, again add a diffuse BSDF. And finally, Shift A, add a transparent BSDF. Connect color ramp to mix shader FSE, diffuse BSDF to shader, and transparent BSDF to shader. Now add mix shader to material output surface. Now you can see our shadow is visible. Now in diffuse BSDF, change the color to black. Close the shader editor. Then go to material properties. In material properties, change blend mode to alpha blend. And at last step, go to render film transparent. Now we have a transparent shadow. Now you can render it and use it in your scene. Hope you guys this video helps you. If my video is useful to you, then please subscribe my channel. Thank you.